Hey everyone, Jodas here, and today we'll do another review, a Transformer War for Cybertron's Siege Deluxe Class Hound. Now, this version Hound, that was the Netflix line, not the regular one, that was the Series 1. So this was the re-release here from Netflix, that was the Walmart exclusives. So yeah, so here's Hound, it is futuristic, it is the Cybertronian Jeep mode. Now, Hound was a character who was introduced from season 1 for 1984 along with the others from the arc. And he is going to continue throughout the role. He is actually his ability, he uses a teleport, using his ability, use a hologram, using a hologram disguise, is use a trick. But after this season 2, he ultimately just disappeared. He did a small appearance. He did appear twice from small cameo from Transformers the movie. One was in workers construct a bridge, but then he gets caught by Lucas and later was looking at the Autobot shuttle who's attacking. And the other one when Autobot shuttle rides in Autobot City with Optimus in the background, and that's about it. It was the last time we see him. I guess he's presumed he just killed off the screen and he has never seen him again. He did appear in the Hitmaster's cartoon during the Run Restraints conversation. We see the Hot Rods is behind him in the background. He's just making the cameos. He didn't speak, and that's about it. We don't get to see what happened. I guess that's a big mystery. So that is about. But in the War for Cybertron anime series, Hound actually did survive from entire season trilogies. That no one got hurt or killed this one. So that is about character for Hound. So in the figure, the Hound, he's based on the Jeep. I like his detail is just a darker green. It has a nice little stars of golden. It looks like it has got scratch in it. I guess it's called battle damage. I like it has an Autobot logo. It's just painted, not the stickers. And down the bottom is a little Autobot Junction. He does get little rolls here pretty well. And it looks pretty good in the job of this one. And you see it has little chairs and there's a cockpit. Now vehicle size comparison. Here's next to Jazz here from Studio Sears. Now he has a look similarities, he's pretty similar size, but he's a pretty smaller compared to this. As for weapons, the surgery goers does get removable. It has a little bunch of peg. A little peg here. And this one has a little canister. Take a little peg here. It goes connecting the sears. Before we get Transformer Robo Mode, let's take a look at weapons. Comes with a machine gun rifle blaster. It's just a little black plastic. Now there is a variant. It's from Series 1, the regular one. He has a silver and here's silver here and there, but it's pretty much the same one, except the weapons are pretty much the silver, the bullet and the silver. That I guess is missing paint. There was even upcoming the buzzworthy Bumblebee's Hound figure with his Earth mode, make for a very true G1 look. Now he comes with shoulder cannon missiles. Looks pretty nice little detail. Just a green gray plastic. Nice little detail. Nice little green missile plastic. And finally he comes with looks like a canister. I had no idea this is supposed to be. That's supposedly like a bullet goes attached to the guns or blasters. Now this little tab here connected his peg here, and here we have his shotgun blasters. So that's about it. But now for the Transformer himself. The Transformer to Hound is pretty simple. First, let's start unpegging. It's gonna be difficult. Now, unlike Trax and my last video, he is really extremely hard and frustrating. First, let's unpeg his arm. Let's unpeg his. Wait. Oh wait, yeah. Rotate around. The scene is. Let's bend in here. Okay, this is really hard. Rotate. Arm this down. Try to kill it. Let's rotate. Rotate. Start connect. Starts connecting. Slide connect. There's his foot. Next one, rotate over wrist. Also a little back here, and then that's about it. And that is it. So here is Hound in his robot mode. Now it looks is pretty accurate. Also, the shoulder cannon I mentioned has a little peg here. It goes a little peg in his home, just like a G1 look. And also he did just like he did the Warfare Sign from the TV series. So that's him. Here we have Hound as robot mode. This figure stand is about 5.5 inches. Oh wait, 4.5 inches because of the shoulder cannon. That was a 5 inches because of the shoulder cannons. Oh, I almost completely forgot, and unfortunately, I don't have the package. I'm not going to show the package, and it was in my last video. I didn't show the package. It was pretty unfortunately. I just threw it away accident, so I didn't show the package. So it's pretty unfortunate. Now, for size comparison, here's Optimus Prime from the Earthrise. Here's Earthrise, and he looks pretty sized in this one. Get it out of the way. Let's take a better look at head sculpt. Here's a quick zoom in, better look. The head sculpt for Hound looks pretty good. It looks just like he did it in the animated series from War for Cybertron, not a G1. I like how his eyes are blue instead of there's no light piping, which is kind of a little disappointment. That's okay. I like how it has the detail of just a silver in his eyes. I like how his shoulder has the stars, and it shows a nice little detail, just a dark green. Now there's a variant. Now there was a variant also point out his silence gold instead of the red from Series 1. Now I don't have this the regular one. That was the Series 1 for War for Cybertron that we saw a picture. Those are the rest of the bodies, paint details. It shows a little back. There's not much. It's got a little peg hole. So that's the sign off to this one's. And as for variant comparison, now compare the Series 1 for War for Cybertron. Looks pretty similarities, except the color is different. The golden side, that was the red, and the I think it's missing golden sides. And yeah, pretty much that's about it. Not much change. The only difference is gold is change it. Now, articulation for Hound, it does get little head can rotate facing left and right. Can't go rotate 360 degrees. Can rotate 360 degrees. It does get up and down that much. It does get arms up and down, goes in and out that much. He has a bicep swivel, then in the elbow, and has swivel wrist. Oops. It does get swivel wrist articulations. It does get swivel waist swivel 360 degrees. Leg is forwards and back. It goes in and out that much. He has a little bicep swivel. Then in the knee, ends equal side to side. It does get things up and down and side to side because of its transformation. Now, for the weapons I mentioned earlier, was a blaster and the pretty wells. So that is about it. So overall, I think it's pretty well. I think it's a decent, pretty good figure. This looks pretty is a War for Cybertron's show accurate. Like I said before, there was a variant. There was the regular one. That was the Series 1. Pretty much the same mold, except the color difference. So I decided to go with this version, which is Netflix line. That is the Walmart exclusive line. So the Transformer is actually pretty fun. It was not as looks as better. The tracks is one of the hardest transformation I've ever seen. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this one. Just be sure don't forget to like and share and subscribe. For more reviews, be sure don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So I hope to see you next time. So thanks for watching and bye for now.